Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite baby girl Jenny, and here's Jenny's Talk Show and more. I am back again like I never left. How is everyone doing? Hope you all are safe. I hope you all are fine. Compliment of the season, my people. All right, without wasting much of your time today, my people, I'm here to just give a little advice concerning this video one they watch up there and many other things where they go on this Xmas, not even this Christmas. So many of these things don't they happen where be say you go see small boys, them small girls, them they rush just to find quick money without minding the danger, the outcome of what they do. Now you bring me come here today. As soon as they watch that thing up there, I go still leave and make you talk when I still hear some of the conversation where they go on there. But before then, I think I get some reasons why our youth these days they jump into all these things where they do to find quick money without thinking. Well, number one reason, as I think, if you think saying a lie, maybe not be truth, you feel still drop your own opinion in the comment section. Number one reason, some of our mothers these days, I don't know what's in their head. You go see them, they go they pressure their children. They go they use them, they make example of other people children without even minding those people where they compare your children with. How far with them? You know how they take get what they get. You know how they make those money where they spoil their parents. Where they build, they scatter everywhere, they buy different things. Instead, when you go pray for your children, make things work out well for you, for them. You go they pressure them. Then they no can't get any other thing to do. They won't please you. They go begin go they find solution. They put their hand where you're not supposed to put them. I beg. Make some of our parents still stop this thing. It's still majority they cause them. Secondly, the kind of girls them where they get these days, their girlfriends them where they get these days, and they push them. Girl go they tell boys say you know see so person boyfriend, you know see so person husband, you know see what they do for him. Now let me work come, now let me want suffer. You want use sufferness take kill me, you want use poverty take kill me. If you know if you buckle up, I go leave you, I go find another person. And because this guy now, these guys that they love, he love him, you know go like make you leave and go. But instead when you go in the right way, you go there find solution where you're not supposed to find solution. Go. I beg my brother, if any girl no appreciate the little one way they do, it won't leave you. I beg leave and make you go. Leave and make you go. Instead when you go push you for your you can't pay me where you're not supposed to pay me. Instead when you go push you do something where you're not supposed to do, allow them, make them go. Let them go. Somebody when you know how to appreciate the little one way they do, it's not meant for you. It's not meant for you. If you even see some of them where they go even live on herself, go meet another person, they know the end where. They know the end where. If they end where, that means una destiny no be the same. As in she's not for you. So I beg, even some self now wives, they go they push their husband. They use other husband, they compare them. They won't make they go get what in that one get without minding how that one take getting on. Even if say na luck. You don't know now you can't go find solution where go to put your hand for everything. thing. I don't know whether that person where you won't compete with now, whether that person now you maybe na luck. Now God just uplift and bring helper where helper out. Another thing was still feel say now the cause of this thing. Now the way where we say some people that they intimidate people where they come across with. Either they be their friends, their brothers, or whatever. You don't get a now, you don't make them. Instead, where you go carry your brother along or your friend along, you go to use what you get to the intimidate them. That one I know get hard to even bear the intimidation and all that. You go to find how you want to compete with you, how you want to let you know so not be only if you get them into if you get them. I bet make you stop all these things. You will be friend, will be say God don't help you. How you go feel say tomorrow now it cost what you make your fellow man, your fellow woman, your friend, your brother or whatever go women himself or go do something will make them no feel live long. But how you go feel asleep? You go feel asleep where? You not on too much self. All these fake friends up and down. If you no fit help somebody, you don't get, you no fit assist them, then you leave them with the one where they get. Stop wasting shoulder. Stop intimidating them with what you get. And una stop to the feel intimidated. Our head not be the same. Best way get today, you know me say you will not follow and get today, you know if you get tomorrow. Keep on hustling, doing that thing that you are doing. Do it very well. Don't give up. Be prayerful, be patient. Have confidence in yourself. I don't know. All these things is getting too much now. Everybody they rush. What will you profit you now to make that money sharp and you don't even feel live to enjoy them? It makes sense. This life too sweet though. To even finally you get the money, you don't reach now. You don't even feel stay. Reach 1 year. They enjoy the money now. It don't make any sense. So make wise up. No let people they push us up and down. Those people that they go meet where they do all these things for them, wanna get quick money, then get. If they get, I think if they get the power to make una rich now, they're not supposed to suffer una too much. Go bring this one. Go jogodo with mad woman. Go mad for 1 year. Come back. Go bring your mama, go bring your papa, bring somebody, bring your girlfriend, one thing or the other. They're not supposed to do it like that. Supposed to you go there, maybe you go charge you the little one where you get, you deposit, you pay, then they'll make you complete the money for them. Not be so it's supposed to be, but they're gonna put you in high tension. See these small ones now. I go live on a month at least hear some things where they talk, because the guy they stammer they talk fast, so I not to even understand the starting of the whole thing. But all these things is uncalled for. May not let people they push us up and down. May you see at least hear from the horse's mouth.
This is Yahoo Boys. We went for ritualists before they caught them arrested.
Why you take that? Give that before you start to give false information. Why should you so false information when they're not? Only that. Yes.
So I said, if you make it call the man for me, you can't call the man. So I said, can't call the man. You give me phone. The man said, if I want making do prayer for me, say I will pay him 10,000 naira.
Yes.
I can't ask the caretaker, say the man they legit.
Yes.
So I can't do the transfer for him. So when I do the transfer for him, he said by 4 o'clock, send the call us.
Yes.
You go follow come. I tell him okay, sir. That 4 o'clock come reach. He no call me again. When I call him, he no pick up.
Yes.
So the caretaker, I can't call the caretaker. The caretaker just tell me say, yeah, make I say he go call me. I tell him okay, sir. So when that was on Sunday. That happened on Sunday. So towards on Sunday evening, when I come back to the house, out of annoyance, I come to my say, you don't come, I say, why you go do me this kind of thing? So you say, you did when the man tell me say,
wait,
me and you follow come.
Is it for ritual purpose,
no,
or
sir,
you want to bury your mother?
Sir, it's not a ritual purpose, sir.
Why what are you doing with casket?
Yes, sir. It is when after.
Forget it. What are you doing with casket?
Sir, he was the one that started me.
Who?
The Afa. That the caretaker gave me the number. He said.
Caretaker gave you the number.
Yes, sir.
Which caretaker?
Mr. Tinos.
In your house?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So he said, when either I beg the person to send the gas gate, or I pay him. After I said I don't have money, he said, no, be say I want you to donate. He said, make I can go my house. If not like today, make I go down, touch my house, like inside my room, outside. Then the next day, make I go come back there, wipe him, or make I throw him. After I'm working, he said, now what I go do?
To tell if you want to take get waiting.
He said,
to get money.
He said, my way could open now. Now what you stop? Because I said, assisting they do work for assisting they for me. Because now that money I sent for them, I don't even go to see them.
How much you sent for?
I be sent give 50,000 naira.
50,000.
Plus that 10,000 naira.
Where they are far they?
Now fast.
You know him if you see him.
Yes, sir. If they live for that our caretaker in the house. Yes, sir. So then when I go carry the thing, so I come to this mama and say, this thing where this man say me can do now. If I go carry am go now, people go say, this boy they do ritual. Say I don't know how to take this thing. I know from this town. What can I go do?
Where are you from?
So, I'm from Abia State, sir. But I'm staying here. I'm doing business here.
But I didn't take casket. You wait till you know say me.
Sir, casket I will make 30%. Understand? So I still continue that thing. I think
Why you can't do him?
Sir, I don't even carry him into my house. Now, sir, just go carry him.
How much you buy this casket?
I gave him 15,000 naira. So I can't say.
You return her back.
Yes, I can't say return back to them. If the body say what to do, just them. Now, 25,000 naira. I can't okay. Say make him alone. Say highest before weekend. Say I feel balance and back.
Who be the next man will follow you?
Now my friend.
Now 12 when I go the place together.
Yes, now me and follow go there. Casket place. So when I can reach close to our compound side, I don't even reach our compound. So I did there, because I say I passed.
You go sleep for inside this cassette.
No sir, it's not still.
Who go sleep for inside?
He said make I carry him touch for my inside my room. Like if not today, so make I touch him. Then the next day, so make I go to my then make I this time 21. And about 3 top. I'm okay sir. So then
where the caretaker now?
Sir, now him wait now the story I want to tell you now. So when we reach there,
where in there now?
Sir, now when this alarm comes now, I know situation again. So when they affair come there,
tell you make it not the stop. Maybe we can't listen come up for them.
No, sir. So when I come to the thing, reach close to the house, I can't stop the bike. I can't say if people see this thing now, they go think say na something else. You can't see me there say, Bishop. I okay, you can say who they there. I come for that bike. If you tell me say Bishop, I thought you say caretaker, na me. Because I say me and be correct. That time when he first me go, just go meet the man after I send the money. He say he go deal with you.
Where the landlord now?
The caretaker.
Okay.
So if you tell me say he go deal with me, then after I say bro, you know go feed me, they say I know insult you. Now my money where I dey fight for. Why you go back, go carry the same? Where we say instead me and you go follow come. So when I can't finish. So as he comes to me this evening, he said, he tell me say, Bishop, open this casket.
So one, Dala the one that clap hand for this town. I saw one begin to talk with Dala the brutality.
Sir?
Like someone that clap hand for no, not good. Clap hand for Dala.
So he tell me say, Bishop, make I open.
Facebook they talk. Dala the brutality when they clap hand for.
Yeah, it's from Masaba.
It's from Masaba.
What you saying here?
They live for where?
Yeah, for where? We are living in the same compound.
No.
So he said, Bishop, say make I open this.
No wahala.
Say person there inside this. He said person there inside this casket. After I said nobody there.
Una hear my people. Now that one verse we say the person tell us make you open and say person there inside. Why they not just record now? Make you bring am down. Make we see whether person there inside or not. Ha. Okay, waiting this one again now. Waiting again. Imagine, he say no before ritual purpose, but he tell you say make you can put for inside your room, then you bring and come out again. Waiting person, you tell you wake up, tell you say carry this kind to go put for inside. You not go fear. You not go ask yourself some questions. I been made frustration or I been intimidation or whatever is going on around you push you to this extent. You know what? The outcome no dey fine. The outcome no dey sweet oh. Now so you reach me today, my people. Until I come your way another time with another video, please remain blessed. Don't forget to share, like, sub if you haven't, and drop your contribution, what you think about this video in the comment section below, and I really appreciate that. Stay safe. Stay safe. Jenny loves you all. Bye-bye.